That's fucking Indian. You have like good size. Like you've got like the size to do like bodybuilding, right? Yeah.
बेसिकली मेरा मील नंबर 1 है 50 ग्राम ओट्स 1 स्कूप वे 1 बनाना और ये शुगर फ्री चॉकलेट सॉस है। अब तो याद हो चुका है ये। मुझे नहीं पता मेरी बॉडी में क्या जा रहा है जितना बिजी हूँ मैं, और बिजी डे पे कैसे एक बॉडी बिल्डर अपने मील्स कैरी करके डाइट फॉलो कर सकता है ये आपको बताऊंगा। सो बेसिकली ये वीडियो उनके लिए है जो सोचते हैं ना कि भाई हम तो बिजी हैं, हमसे डाइट नहीं होती है, तो देख लो कैसे डाइट करता हूँ मैं ऑन अ बिजी डे। एंड आज बहुत मजा आने वाला है। संगम भाई जो कि ICN का दुबई का प्रो शो जीत चुके हैं, I'm gonna sit with us and मेरे कोच जेक ब्रेली and I and संगम भाई, we three are gonna work out together and उसके बाद पोजिंग सेशन भी होगा। तो मेरे को गिफ्ट करना हो ना कुछ तो मेरे को ये बैग्स गिफ्ट कर देना, इसमें मैं मील्स कैरी करता हूँ क्योंकि ताऊजी डाल देते हैं उठा के किसी भी बैग में और मैं अपनी पोटली लेके फकीरों की तरह घूमता रहता हूँ। How was the workshop?
Super good, super insightful, super helpful for so many people.
Yeah.
And for me also.
And for you also. So yeah. Oof. भाई ये नॉर्मली खड़े हुए हैं। I'm just recording your back. So having my meal for the first time in front of my coach, and I would see what my coach orders in a cafe.
Yeah.
What would you order?
I've got to order something healthy now. It'd be like a salad or something.
A salad? Wow man. जेक भाई कह रहे हैं मैं कहाँ फंस गया इन लोगों के साथ। तू क्या खाएगी?
पता नहीं, लेती हूँ some पनीर सैंडविच।
ये निकी का हंगरी फेस है।
Don't talk to
मुंह
me
तोड़
right now.
दूंगी।
मेरे को ये सोच के ऐसा लग रहा है कि सारे चिकन वालों के बीच में अकेला फंस गया वेजिटेरियन।
नहीं भाई मैं भी वेजिटेरियन ही खा रहा हूँ भाई।
चलो ठीक है,
हाँ।
वेज में लेंगे बढ़िया।
बेसिकली इस ब्लॉग के थ्रू ना आपको ये पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे कितने सारे डिफरेंट चॉइसेस के लोग हैं और सारे सुंदर हैं, तो आप कुछ भी खा सकते हो अपने मैक्रोस के हिसाब से। दिस इज व्हाट माय कोच हैड, चिकन एंड राइस। सो द मील रिमेन्स द सेम even if the quality is slightly up and down, but the meal remains the same. Secret to his wins. These are 3 shots. A total of 6. I don't think you'll be needing more than this. If you need more, then there's another shot for you. 9 shots?
9 shots. How many do you normally have? 12 or something?
You normally have 12. So, okay. So 9 shots for you.
No.
And 6
I don't
for
know
me.
we even have shots. It's just I just pour coffee.
Instant coffee. But this is going to be sustained release, like, because this is coming from the beans. So yeah, you can try this out and let's train. I'm training with my coach today.
You have 6
Yeah.
as well.
Okay, we're having 6 shots. Coach is having 6 shots. Sangam,
I'm on one.
this is 2.
He's only having one. He's a good boy.
I will take one more. ये एक और कर दो, 3 shot, ठीक है? So all of us are just partying besides the bar, having shots. Then we're gonna
The
dance.
coffee shots.
Then we're gonna dance with iron. Cheers.
Crazy.
Yeah, to crazy pumps. This is what 25 calories. Wow, man. Hey, bro, Sangam. How about this? Apart from the diet plan, huh? Or no?
Water thing is zero, na?
But 25 calories.
Yeah, you want to have?
It's not. I want to
already
have.
having coffee, no?
Yeah,
So why to?
done, sir. This is. I have kept a name for him. His name is No Man.
No man.
Yeah. Whatever I ask you about diet, you say no.
No.
Nothing apart from the plan. Huh?
To plan. Yeah.
Not even this. You want to have this?
No.
No. Everything no. If I want to win, I need to say a lot more no's. Okay, bye. No happiness. So by using lifting straps, I've been doing such things जो मैं पहले कभी भी नहीं करता था because it's my prep and भाई तगड़े तरीके से करना है. जो straps हैं, they let me pull this and I'll be able to. जिसकी वजह से ज़्यादा mechanical tension होगी and I'll grow. That's what lifting straps do. I really don't like chest supported, but I love T-bar. So I'm very happy. इसके अंदर ना joint alignment बहुत तगड़ी हो जाती है. So basically, you see, I can target my upper back properly in this. Oof, nice. Too excited. Let's go. Come on. I've got my pre-workout behind my back. Let's kill
No
it.
excuse, you've had lots of coffee.
Yeah. Standing behind my back, it would have just been 5 reps, but I got 3 cheat reps. Should I count them as my gains?
Fast moving it counts.
Yeah, everything counts. Last 10, 9, 7,
6, 5, 4,
3,
2, 1.
that's an Indian language.
Your back also looking good. Push. 2.
This angle. Oh. 22 inches arms. Come on. Up, 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 up. Push. 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 Push.
Reverse phase done.
Oh, live check-ins for the first time with the coach.
No pressure. Your back's actually, your lower back's like got striations, sorry.
It's good.
Yeah. You have like good size. Like you've got like the size to do like bodybuilding, right? Yeah.
So this is the front relaxed.
Yeah. So front relaxed, hips back. So it's like when you're thinking of like the judges and what they're looking at, right? What they want to see is like an X frame. So basically, like you want your waist to look as small as possible, and then your shoulders and legs to look as wide. So it's like the best way to do that. Get your hips as far away from the judges as you can. Makes your waist a bit smaller. So it's almost like tilt your hips back, big chest. Yeah. So like lift your chest up and let your lats just like hang down. And then it's like with your legs, you just want to think about, do you know when you're going into a squat and you're like, you're tearing the floor apart with your feet almost?
Yeah.
And it's like, just let your back open up. And then just abs, just lightly contract your abs. Yeah. He's competed before, he's just lying. He's hiding it.
आ जाओ भाई. तो ये भाई बड़ी देर से हमारा वेट कर रहे हैं. दो अपना ब्लॉग में. वंश गोयल भाई को सारे फॉलो करो जाके.
With the side poses, always just look there. You're like densely muscled. Like bodybuilding is like it's probably the better category for you. And it's like with Sangam, right? Like he did bodybuilding, he did classic, he did fitness, he did men's physique. So if you're like lean enough and you look good enough, because it's more time on stage, more chance of winning. You're competing once, you might as well just do more categories and have more fun.
So why don't we do classic, open, and men's physique every day?
Yeah.
So men's physique is like this, no?
Yeah.
Over here, the dominant.
But it's
leg.
like you wanna focus on one more than the rest, right? Yeah. Yeah. So the thing is, men's physique posing is really easy.
The back is like this in men's physique.
Keep both the legs straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bring your legs more out.
It's like you want to bring your hands like up in front of you, probably for yourself, like that.
Yeah.
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 When you hit your lats, the best thing for probably you to practice is do like a lat spread,
Okay.
and then just like hang there basically. So like when you do a lat spread, right, you're not tensing, your back's relaxed, right? It's just spread out. All you want to do is do like a lat spread, and then just let your arms hang. So, yeah, just like that.
Yeah, much better.
You don't want to tense your back at all. You just want to let it be as wide as possible, like spreading it out. Your back is, you have like quite a thick back. It's not like V-tapered, right? But from a bodybuilding standpoint, it is, because it's like thickly muscled and dense. So bring that arm into your abs. Like push it into your belly.
Okay. This is cool.
It's like, yeah. And then, yeah, see? It's like, how you want to have your hands is almost like you were holding a broomstick or something.
Your chest.
We have won the title, and I am going for the pro show. Am I going for the pro show, coach?
Not quite yet, but
Today's
in the
2nd
dream,
December.
yeah, yeah.
Today's 2nd December, and Ekansh Taneja is going for the pro show.
He's confident. Confidence is good.
We're manifesting.
Confidence is good. Manifesting, yeah. Manifest it. Manifest the win. Manifest the.
Let's get it, coach.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. So after the training, we are at Pacific Mall, NSP, and यहाँ पे मैं अपने मील की वेट कर रहा हूँ. घर से मंगा लिया मैंने. Lots of inspiration from this guy and this guy कि भाई कैसे on track रहना है prep पे. And over there, my girl is waiting for the Swiggy guy जो घर से मील लेके आ रहा है. हाँ जी. कितनी देर में आ रहा है मील? ओए होए, अंग्रेज क्या लग रहे हैं मेरी बेबी के बाल. So we're at Cafe Delhi Heights. Everyone's enjoying that, and I'm enjoying my salad, my snacks. I mean, okay, bye. I have my meal ready. Low-fat paneer, rice, and ghee. ये pumpkin नहीं है, ये calabash है, ghee. Jake is having his double chicken and ginger ale and scrambled egg. She's having what she's having. Yeah. Yes. Bro, वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. वाह. अंदर ही घुस जाऊंगा आज मैं बर्गर के. Oh,
You will have to eat all the ingredients separately.
तो गाइस कल रात को मैं व्लॉग खत्म करना भूल गया था क्योंकि घर आते ही मैं बस नहा धो के पड़ गया था. एंड मेरा लास्ट मील आपको पता ही है, ये सीरियल और वे प्रोटीन और केला खाया था मैंने, तो मैं बता नहीं पाया आपको. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एंडेड माय फुल डे ऑफ ईटिंग. एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा भाई, जो मेरी बॉडी के रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेम खाना खाने से आ रहे हैं. अगर मेरी डाइट आप उठा के देखोगे ना तो मैं जून से सेम खाना खा रहा हूँ. सो विश मी लक, क्योंकि इस बारी जीत के ही आना है और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं, जीत के ही आना है वरना नहीं आना है. खत्म बात.
हैमर हमारा है, हैमर हमारा है.
हैमर हमारे मैच में हैमर तो पार्टी करेंगे फिर जीत के.
यस.
क्या हम
पूरा घुस गया तू कैमरा के अंदर.